Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act now. Connect the AC adapter and remove USB devices so the system won't confuse boot sources. Press F2 or DEL immediately at Power On to open BIOS. On some Acer models, press F12 for boot menu. Once in, navigate to Boot Options and set internal HDD or USB as required, and disable Secure Boot only if using external recovery media, because Secure Boot can block unsigned repair tools. You must boot the recovery USB, choose Repair Your Computer, then troubleshoot and open Command Prompt. Run bootrex/fixmber to restore the master boot record, then bootrex/fixboot and bootrex/scanos to detect Windows installations. Follow with bootrex/rebuild to rebuild the boot configuration data. If you get access denied on /fixboot, use diskpart to select the EFI partition, assign a drive letter, then rerun the fix commands. So we're almost done. Remove the recovery USB, return to BIOS, restore the original boot order, save changes, and restart. If Windows still won't boot, go back into Recovery Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then chkdskc/f to fix disk errors. These can resolve corrupt files that block boot. If all else fails, back up your data from a Linux Live USB and perform a clean Windows reinstall, only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.